What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and this is just my rice water wash day routine. So, of course, I do use brown rice. I put it in a bowl, and I don't need much. I just need probably half a cup full or maybe a cup full of rice. And I prefer brown rice. You can use white rice or brown, whichever one works for you. But I prefer to use brown rice. Then I just basically fill this up with water. I usually use a smaller bowl, but I had grabbed the first thing that was in reach and then fill it up with water. I use warm water so that it won't take long to get room temperature. And of course, I always get my lemon water together. Got to have that. So we're jumping in with the Sebastian Dark Oil shampoo with jojoba and argan oil. I hope I said that right. And this is a shampoo. I do use two separate shampoos. Secondly, I'm going in with the Brazilian Therapy shampoo. That is some good stuff. I use the shampoo and conditioner set. I love the way that it smells, and it does my hair some justice. I use two shampoos just because if one shampoo is lacking what the other one has, I like to combine all of that. It works for me. May not work.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So, of course, I forgot to put the rice water in, so I had to jump out the shower, spray my hair with rice water because that's the whole point of the video. So, yep, I had to stop what I was doing and put it in my hair. Yes, I did take my time to pour some water into this very small water bottle because I couldn't find another one. But that's besides the point. You get the idea. Okay, and now we're going to jump back in to wash this out. So, this is how my hair looks out of the shower. What I did was, instead of me pouring the rice water just on my head, and I could not find my spray bottle that I usually use to spray it all over my hair. As you can see in the video, I did wet my hair first. And then I sprayed the rice water on before I got in the shower. I chose to put it in this little bottle because this was the only one I could find. It was just enough because I was able to get the rice water in all of my hair. And I just got done deep conditioning and washing it. And this is my hair texture. I have been natural for about, I want to say for about 2 or 3, I'm going to say 2.5 years. Because it's definitely been about 3. So 2.5. And I want to get to the stage where I can wear my hair out in an afro and it be curly and have these kind of that curl texture to it, but that ain't the case right now. It won't, I don't even like it to air dry because it get nappy and horrible. So what I'm about to do is some of this in. I'm about to go ahead and put some of this in my hair. Also, some of this, especially for my edges, because as we see this side here, we have a problem with getting these edges to come back. Yeah, they are very thin on that side. But this side is perfect. We got a whole full side of hair on that side. I'm about to blow dry my hair, so stay tuned. I'm going in with the heat protector spray. That is used to blow dry and to use before you flat iron. I don't intend to flat iron my hair in this video, but I do want to protect my hair from the high heat that I will be using with the blow dryer. I did not want to section my hair in 4. I did it in 2 parts only. It still got dry equally, and didn't nobody have time for all of that. got my coconut oil and I'm about to put it all over my hair. Yes, yes. Love this stuff. I still feel like my hair is a little damp, but I feel like that's enough heat for today. And this is what we have. Now, I do know it's time for me to clip my ends again. Some of my eye. I do know that part. But I am going to have to flat iron my hair in order to cut them. Let's see how they're looking. I still got oil left on my hand. I love coconut oil. Let's see. I'm gonna take this part of my hair and we're gonna see together. Yep. See? I need to cut all of this off. So about 2 inches, I need to go around my hair and cut it off. But this is my fro. This is what's under my wigs, y'all. This is what be under those caps. And my scalp still be itchy. I don't know why. I just put my oil in there, my wild growth oil. My hair is growing. I think I'm going to post pictures of my afro from earlier last year to now. And y'all going to be able to see the difference, especially on the front and the sides. It's the rice water. It's the rice water. And it's, you know, less stress this year. Amen to that. I wonder if I still got my little white or gray piece of hair. I think that's it right there. I don't know. I got to find it. But rice water, this time what I did was pour in a little spray bottle because I couldn't find my big one. And it worked. I was able to get it on my hair. Sometimes I leave it on there for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It depends on if I got nothing to do. I just decided to just do a quick rinse while I left it in for about 10 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. As long as it was in my hair. I know a lady on TikTok, she's an African lady, and she has a thing where she leaves hers in for over 12 hours. That water does, I use brown rice. It tends to get a sour smell to it. So I don't know if I can leave that in for so long. So I'm going to give it a try, y'all. But once it started to be too much, I'm going to rinse it out. But rice water has made my hair this thick and it's constantly growing. My hair grows at least 2 inches I want to say 2 inches a month. No lie. Or every other month. I'm going to try to find the pictures, y'all, to post, including this video. And I am not about to flat iron my hair. I do not feel like doing that. I will flat iron it on another day, probably on another video or another upload. I can show y'all how I flat iron this. I am on a healthy hair journey. I didn't really want to blow dry it, but I just wanted you all to see how a normal wash and condition, how a normal hair routine day goes for me. Flat ironing this, I did spray the heat protectant on here already, so I wouldn't reapply it because it's already on my hair. I just don't like to blow dry and then apply heat from the flat irons because I do have to use high heat because of the thickness of my hair. So I'm going to be rocking a puff ball for probably about a week until I get tired of seeing it. I'll probably do something to my hair Friday. I ain't gonna lie. And I will film it. I will let you guys see how I want to do my hair. If I don't throw a wig on, I'm leaning towards braids. And I would love to show y'all how I do my braids. Because Like I said, I want to start showing the different things or different side of me on my channel, and I'm going to try. But I am going to include other things. So I thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. And this is how much growth we've had.